Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to be kicking off our Friday night facial series where I'm going to show you easy DIY masks that you can do on your own. And I'm going to be showing you a haldi and yogurt mask. So let's jump right in. Okay, for this easy mask, all you need is half a teaspoon of turmeric, also known as haldi, and a little bit of yogurt, half a teaspoon, and you're just going to mix those two up together into a paste like this. This mask is super easy and really beneficial for the skin because it has one-star ingredient, obviously, is turmeric, and it's known as haldi in India and Pakistan, and it's sort of like a superfood type of situation because it has so many benefits for the skin. Turmeric has a lot of anti-inflammatory properties, a lot of antioxidants. It's really beneficial for treating acne and acne scarring. It can, lighten hyperpigmentation. So in South Asia, they use this on, brides to be because it just leaves you with a really nice glowy look afterward, and it leaves your skin super soft. So I thought, why not combine this with yogurt, which is the second star ingredient in this mask, because yogurt has lactic acid in it, which also helps soften and remove dead skin. So it helps with that glowy factor. And then yogurt also has a lot of, from what I've read, it has a lot of probiotic and antimicrobial ingredient properties that are supposed to be really beneficial for your skin as well. So it's a really easy mask, really cheap. You can make it on your own. And what you do is you just apply it all over your face and you leave it on for about, I want to say like 15-20 minutes or so it becomes like sort of dry. You can like read a book, listen to some music, put some cucumber slices on and let your skin sort of take it all in. I usually use this when my skin needs a pick-me-up because I was suffering from really horrible breakouts this week. So you can see it dries down a little bit. It's still a little bit wet, and all you're going to do is you're going to rinse it off with some warm water, and then you'll see glowy skin. I just dried it off with a paper towel, and yeah, so my skin didn't stain. As you can see, a lot of people deal with that. I think it's just leaving it on for not too long. And there you go. That was the mask. I hope you enjoyed. If you want to see more, stick around. I'm going to be uploading more DIY facials in the weeks to come. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next video.